Now I am going to discuss question number 15. That is C of x equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Right. Find the marginal cost. Here also you are going to do the differentiation with respect to x. Right. Simple derivative you are going to do it here. Right. Marginal cost, how it increases when the cost when x is equal to 17 units, right? Now solution. C of x, what it is given in the question is 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000, right? Now we are going to differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. C dash of x equal to, here you are going to use the derivative formula, right? X power n, the derivative of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. On and off you have to recall the formula, right? 0.007 into the x cube, how it will act? 3x square. 0.007 into 3x square minus 0.003 into 2x plus 15. Here the constant comes under addition, so it becomes 0, right? Which is equal to, now we are going to substitute the value of x. 0.007. Here the place of x can be replaced by 17. So C dash of 17 equal to 3 into 17 square minus 0.003 into 2x. 0.003 into 2 into 17 plus 15, right? Simple multiplication only. Now which is equal to 0.007 into 3, then 17 square is what? 289 minus, here you see 0.003 into 2 into 17, 34 plus 15, right? Now you are going to do the multiplication. If you are confident, you can do through mind, or otherwise you should use the right side margin and do the calculation, right? 0.007 into 3, first you have to multiply that, which is equal to 0.021, 7 3s are 21 into 289 minus 0.003 into 34 plus 15. 289 into 21. 982. Right? Now 2, see here, 2 9s are 18, remaining 1, 2 8s are 16, 17, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 9, 6, remaining 1, right? 10, remaining 1, 6. Here how many zeros are there? 0.021, right? So it becomes 6 point, which is equal to 6.021 069 minus the same way 0.003 into 34. 0.003 into 34. That means 3 fours are 12. 34 into 3. 12 remaining 1, 9, 10. Here also what? 3 after the decimal 3 points are there. So what is the value here? 0.102 plus 15. Now you add and then subtract. 15 plus 6 how much? 21.069 minus 0.102. You want to do the subtraction. See, better you have to select the right side margin and do the subtraction. Nothing is wrong, right? Now you see 21.069 minus point, that is 0.102, which is equal to 76902. 20.967, which is equal to 20.967. When x is equal to 17, the marginal cost increases rupees 20.967. Right. Now we'll pass on to question number 16. Question number 16. Right. Question number 16. Simple multiplication only. Up to 15 only you have to understand the question and do the differentiation. Now the 16th question you see the total revenue in rupees, received from the sale of X units, of a product is given by R of X equal to, that is revenue. So R of X equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Right. Question number 16. Right. Question number 16. Find the marginal revenue. When x is equal to 7. At x is equal to 7, what is the marginal revenue? Whether it increases or not, we want to find. Right. The same what I discussed in question number 15, the same way I'm going to do the question number 16. Solution. R of x equal to 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Right. differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, or dash of x equal to, here also you are going to use the same derivative x power n, right? That formula you have to write x power n. The derivative of x power n is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. The formula you have to use to write it in the right side, right? Then 13x square will come under 26x, right? 13 2s are 26 into x plus, when you differentiate 26x, you will get it as 26. The constant come along with the multiplication, so it will act as 0. Next, at x value you are going to change, because x is given as x is equal to 7. X is given as x is equal to 7. That you are going to substitute in the place of x. That is r dash of 7 equal to 26 into 7 plus 26, which is equal to 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. Remaining 4, 7 2s are 14, that is 182 plus 26, which is equal to 208. What is the marginal revenue now? Marginal revenue is at x is equal to 7, the marginal revenue is rupees 208. Okay. Now we will pass on to question number 17. Question number 17. Question number 17, you see, the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to, that can be represented as w dot r dot to, right? With respect to its radius, r at r equal to 6 centimeter. R equal to 6 centimeter. Option is given. Directly you cannot select the option. You have to work out. Then only you will arrive the answer. Right. So here they are discussing area of a circle. So what is that? Area of a circle. You know, area equal to solution. Area of a circle equal to pi r square. You are differentiating with respect to r on both the sides. dA by dr equal to 2 pi r, because you are differentiating with respect to r. When you differentiate r with respect to r means you will get it as 1. So there is no necessity to write. Then what it is given? R equal to 6. R equal to 6. So R equal to 6, you have to substitute in the place of R value, right? dA by dr at r equal to 6 centimeter, which is equal to 2 pi into 6, which is equal to 12 pi centimeter square per centimeter, right? Area with respect to radius. So your answer is 12 pi centimeter square. In the book, the option is what? Option is B, right? Option is B, right? Question number 18. Question number 18. The total revenue total revenue in rupees received in rupees received from the sale of received from sale of x units of a product x units of a product x units of a product is given by R of x equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. The marginal revenue revenue marginal revenue when x is equal to 15, right? The same what I discussed in question number 16, the same format, right? R of x equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. You are differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Or dash of x is equal to 6x plus 36, because the constant is, when you differentiate you will get it as 0, right? So 6, here also you are using the x power n. The derivative of x power n is nothing but n into x power n minus 1. The same concept you use it here. Now r dash of 15, that means x can be replaced by 15. 6 into 15 plus 36, which is equal to 90 plus 36, how much? 126. Option. What is your option here? D. Right? Marginal revenue. So you have to express in terms of rupees. Marginal revenue equal to rupees 126. Option. Here option is given. Option is D. Option is D. That's all. The exercise is over. We will pass on to the next day exercise. Right, children? I hope you people understood, right? Now I'm going to end. Now I'm going to end the class. Right?